Welcome to today's English listening practice story. This is a Level 3 English story called The Birthday Party. Vocabulary Preview. Before we begin today's story, here are a few words you will hear. Rushed. Did something quickly, without thinking carefully. Whispered. Spoke very quietly. Courage. The strength to do something even when it is hard or scary. Avoided, stayed away from or did not look at someone. Nervous, feeling worried, afraid, or unsure about something. Now that you know the key words, let's begin our story. My name is Emily. Today was my birthday. I turned 32. I woke up before my alarm. The room was quiet. Morning light touched the wall. I smiled. Birthdays always mattered to me, not because of gifts, but because of people. My husband, Mark, kissed my forehead. He said, "Tonight will be special." He said, "I planned everything." I believed him. I spent the day getting ready. I cleaned the house. I cooked small snacks. I kept checking my phone. I was waiting for one message. Lily. She was my best friend. We met in college. We grew up together. She knew my fears. She knew my dreams. She promised she would come early. She said she had a gift just for me. Evening came. The house filled with sound, laughter, music, voices. Balloons covered the ceiling. The smell of cake filled the room. People arrived one by one. They hugged me. They smiled. "Happy birthday, Emily." I thanked them all. But my eyes kept moving. Door, phone, door. Lily was not there. I asked Mark, "Have you heard from Lily?" He smiled fast. He said, "She's on the way." His smile did not reach his eyes. The music grew louder. People danced. Someone spilled a drink and laughed. I laughed too, but my chest felt tight. I checked my phone again. Still nothing. Then Mark clapped his hands. He asked everyone to listen. He stood near the TV. His hands were shaking. He said, "I made a video for Emily." He said, "It's full of memories." Everyone clapped. I felt touched. I felt loved. Mark took out his phone. He connected it to the TV. He pressed play. The video started. Pictures appeared on the screen. Trips, birthdays, smiles. People said, "Aw." I held my hands together. My eyes felt warm. Then the music changed. The screen went black for a second. And then my bedroom, my bed. I felt confused. Then I saw her, Lily. She was standing close to someone, too close. Then I saw his face, Mark, my husband. Someone screamed. The room went silent. I could not move. I could not breathe. The video kept playing. Short clips, different days, different clothes. It was real. This was not one mistake. Mark rushed to the TV. He tried to stop the video. His hands slipped. He turned it off. Too late. The cake stood behind me. The candles were still burning. No one spoke. Later, I learned the truth. A few days before my birthday, Mark recorded those videos. He thought no one would ever see them. When he made my birthday video, he rushed. He was nervous. He did not check the folder. He pressed play, and the truth pressed back. I walked outside. Cold air hit my face. My legs felt weak. Mark followed me. He said my name again and again. He said it was a mistake. He said I didn't mean to show it. He said I didn't mean to hurt you. I looked at him. I said, "You didn't mean to cheat either?" He cried. I felt empty. I asked him one question. How long? He looked down. He whispered, "Months." That word broke me. Months. While I laughed with Lily, while I trusted her, while I planned this party, I went back inside. People avoided my eyes. Some tried to speak. Some stayed quiet. I thanked them for coming. My voice did not shake. I picked up my bag. No one stopped me. That night, I sat alone in the dark. The house felt strange, too quiet. I washed my face. I looked at myself in the mirror. I looked older. I lit one candle. Just one. I closed my eyes. I did not wish for love. I did not wish for apologies. I wished for courage. That birthday took my husband. It took my best friend. But it gave me something else. The truth. And myself. Thank you for listening to this story. If you liked it, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to Story Reading in English channel. Your support helps more stories reach people like you. With every story, our English gets better and our hearts get stronger.